emergency power and auto service. Part of our 2020 goals was to donate a car to someone in the community, and that's not a better person for it. Chris Conway, which I've honked at over the years many times driving by, right in my day, but we feel good like we do for a lot of people. So it's awesome. You're the person for this.
And I am super excited for it. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. But what better way to thank you with dance and putting more smiles out there?
That's what it's all about, passing the smiles around. So we're going to back up and take our masks off for distance so you can see us. How did you get started? You've been doing this for a number of years, right?
Yes, sir. I've been doing this for about going on 6 years. It started off with me walking to work. I was like popping off some moves as I went, people started honking and stuff like that, but then it didn't really pop off until I got into a car accident back in 2019. The beginning of 2019, I lost a friend. Bad car accident, no one was under the influence of anything. It was cold and rainy, and I guess because it was on New Year's, so I'm guessing I can't remember if it was slushy or not, but we accidentally overturned and ended up on the other side of traffic, and we got T-boned. From then, my light flashed before my eyes, struck a nerve in me that said, life is too short. I want to get out here and do what I can to make other people's lives a lot better and just change the world as I can, if I can, but by doing what I can do and put out there in the world.